Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a workaround fix for not being able to open up the home screen page manager on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So with your iPhone, you should be able to go into your home screen page manager to reorganize the home screen page. So this is an iPhone 12 Pro, if I touch on the home screen like this, So once it is in edit mode, and if I tap on this dotted bar at the bottom, it should allow me to go into this home screen page manager where I can hide or show the home screen page, or I can rearrange them. Okay, so that should be easy. All I have to do is just tap on the dotted bar and it will take me to this screen. Now on the iPhone 13, if I try to do the same, if I touch and hold on the home screen, and if I try to touch on the bar right here, you can see it will navigate to the previous or the next home screen page. It will not allow me to go into this home screen page manager. So in order for you to work around and go into the home screen page manager, you will need to use two fingers. One is on the dotted bar and one on the home screen page. So like this. And you can see if I do that, it will work every time. Otherwise, if I simply just tap on that, it will not work. So both of this device has been updated to iOS 15.1. They are both on the same iOS version. And this is iPhone 12 Pro, this is 13 Pro. So there shouldn't really be any issues in terms of how it works. It should work the same way, but it's not. And I don't think this is a design. It's just maybe some kind of bug that's causing an issue. But if you really need to manage your home screen page, then this is what you can do. Just simply tap on one finger on the dotted bar and the other one on the home screen, like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.